Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to download and set up TeamViewer both on your PC and your phone, and at the end control your PC with your mobile device. So guys, you can also see the my phone on the left of the screen, so that I can demonstrate both how to install this app on both PC and of course your mobile device. So let us firstly do it from the PC. Just type in TeamViewer, go to the official website. Well, let me actually do that as well on the phone. So on the phone you just type in TeamViewer, okay, then go to this page and install the app. As you can see, in my case it's already open. Let me just open it up. Okay, great. Now on the PC, press on try for free. Then you need the application, so download desktop client, and press on download now. I already have it installed, just download and install it. Okay guys, after installing the application, I'm gonna just put it right here. There should be enough space. So that's pretty much the application, guys. So in here, where on the left you have my phone and this is the PC app. So guys, now it's actually very simple. So you need to pretty much insert your PC's ID and the password inside of the application. So as you can see in here in this field, just look at the phone, you just type in the code first. So let me just type in the code, 274. Okay, so for some reason the application is not working for me, so I'm just going to use the web application to show you guys. It's literally the same, no difference. So just log in your phone into your account. Okay, we are now signing in. And guys, simply on your phone, as you can see, we have different things on the left. So just press on these both arrows on the left and into the right. Click on that icon, and in here we can insert our user ID from our PC. So mine is already here. I will press connect. So now it's going to connect and ask for the password. Okay, now in this field we can insert the password. Just give me a sec. Okay, press on connect. And boom guys, look at that, bingo. Now in my PC, as you can see, TeamViewer is connected. Now we can successfully control our PC from our phone. So let me just open up a browser or something. Okay guys, I can minimize this right here, make it disappear. And look at this guys, now from my phone I can control the website. Look at that, I'm clicking from my phone. Bam, bam, I can navigate the website. As you can see, I can zoom in. I can browse different section of the website. As you can see, everything is working. I can press read the report. Look at that, everything is working guys. So it's pretty simple setup. You don't have to do any additional shenanigans that will be super hard for, say, an average user that's not really familiar with computers or phones, or maybe with some elderly. It's super simple guys. This is how to use it. I'm just going to put away my phone for now. So that's very simple. Guys, enjoy the tutorial. If you enjoyed it, if it helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave a comment, and don't forget about the bell. Don't miss the new uploads. Thank you for watching. See you soon.